Hello guys. In last lecture we have seen lots of things about Java. That is key advantages or features of Java. Those are platform independent, object oriented, simple, secure, architectural neutral, portable, robust. And we have seen a live demo of a program as well. Java is multi-threaded, interpreted, high performance, distributed, dynamic. Then we have seen little bit other things about Java also. History of Java, we have seen that. So let's see next things. Whatever the syllabus we are having. So let us see the editor of Java. And you guys know we have seen the C language. For C language, you use Turbo Compiler as an editor. Editor means what? Where you can write the program. For Java, you are having three editors. Notepad, where you can write simple Java program. NetBeans also there. That is the Java IDE, where you can easily write a Java program. Eclipse is also IDE you can use to write a Java program. So let's see the next things. What is the object? Java is, I have already said you that Java is object oriented programming language. So what does the object means? Objects have state and behaviors. Example, a dog has states, which states color, name, breed, as well as behavior, such as wagging their tails, barking, eating. So every object has states and behavior. State means properties. Color is the property. So property can't be a true, can't be a good or bad. Let me give you a simple example. If you are gray in color, if you are fat, that is not your fault, or that is not bad or good. It is simply, it is a property. So whenever you are, we call a body shaming. Body shaming is a bad. It's a bad habit. Or racism is the same kind of things. So here we are going to see the behaviors and states of object. Dog, we know that dog can move his tail always. He moves his tail. He barks. He eats. These are the basic behavior of dog. Now let us see what is the class. Class can be defined as the template blueprint that describes the behavior of object. Its type supports. So what does the class means? Class you can call is a collection of entity of similar types, and you can create an object of that class. See, there is a human class, we know, which are the states of human class. We are having color, we are having weight, we are having breeds also. We are not having any kind of breeds. We are having names as well. And what is the behavior? We walk, we speak, we learn. These are the behaviors of human class. We breeds also. Okay, then there comes the method. Method means basically behavior. A class contains many methods. So human class has many methods. Let me explain you. We talk, it's a method of human class. We are talking means it's kind of method of human class. We eat, we sleep, we bath. These are the basic methods of human class. Instance variable. Variable means value assigned to what instances means. Let me give a simple example. We are having the name, where name will be stored in a variable. We are having a weight, weight will be stored in a variable. So these are the basic kind of things. Let us see the hello world program in a Java. Let us see its live demo. Let us execute it. Hello world is printed. So what program has a class my first Java program. There is a main method in it, public static void main. I will explain what is the public, what is the static, what is the void. So I will explain all those things. System.out.println, I will explain that also. Okay, so let's move to the next point. So program has, you have to save the program as the same as the class name. प्रोग्रॅममध्ये जो क्लास आहे तुमच्या त्या क्लासच्या नावानंच तुम्हाला तुमचा प्रोग्राम सेव्ह करावा लागतो. ओके, सो माय फर्स्ट जावा प्रोग्राम डॉट जावा. नाव output hello world. So Java has case sensitivity. Even C language has a case sensitivity. What is the case sensitivity means? If you write something in uppercase, something in a lowercase, it will be treated differently. So you have to be really careful while typing a Java program, because Java is case sensitive language. For all class names, the first letter should be in uppercase. Means whenever you are writing any class in Java, you have to write its first letter as uppercase letter. Here we have created a class, my first Java class. My m should be uppercase. Method name should start with lowercase. That is the different case with class name and method name. Method name always starts with small case letter. Okay, program file name. When you are saving the file, you should save it using the class name. Remember, Java is case sensitive. Means whatever the class name starts with uppercase letter. You have to save that file with the same name with uppercase letter at the start. You have to be really careful while writing a Java program. Java identifier. All identifier should begins with a letter. Identifier means name of the variable. You have created a variable in C language, you have created a variable in Python. So it's a basic thing you already know. So all identifier should begins with letter A to Z. So what letter variable name contains A to Z or small case A to Z, currency characters dollar or underscore. After the first character identifier can any combination of character. Any combination of character means 1, 2, 3 are also allowed, but at the start it should starts with alphabet. Okay, even underscore also allowed it. Java modifiers, access modifier. There are 4 access modifier: default, public, protected, private, and non-access modifier: final, abstract, strict, FP. Okay, we will see it afterwards. Are there local variable, class variable, those are the statics, instance variable, non-static variable. Java has array. Arrays are objects that stores multiple variables of same types. However, an array itself is an object on the heap. We will look how to declare, construct and initialize in upcoming chapters. Java has enums also. You have seen enums in C also. So let us see the example of enum. Enumerator you have seen in C language. So it's loading. Enumerator Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If you want to store it, you can use enumerator for that. Let us see the live demo again, whether it loads or not. Let us execute that program, enumerator program. Yeah, what we have done in this class, fresh juice test. We have created object of that fresh juice enumerator. We are printing the size plus juice size. and we have selected the medium. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let us stop here. Let us revise what we have seen in today's class. So these are the editors in Java we have seen. Next, what we have seen: object, class, methods, instance variable. We have seen the live demo of hello world program of Java. Then we have seen case sensitivity of Java, class name, methods name, program, how to save a program. Okay, main is the static method. Okay, we'll see it afterwards. Okay, thank you.